Congratulations on choosing one of the most innovative and safe hyperbaric chambers. Our patented designs are like no other on the market. Safety is one of our main priorities at Summit2Sea. It is our policy and practice to extensively test all of our chambers to ensure that Summit2Sea chambers have the highest quality, comfort, and safety. Now that you have all the equipment to begin your treatments, it is extremely important to watch this entire video and read the manual that was included on a thumb drive in your packet before operating your chamber. Our hyperbaric chambers are a Class 2 medical device cleared by the FDA requiring a prescription. As we're constantly developing new technology to improve our chambers, there may be photo or video footage that doesn't quite match your chamber. Follow along with the instructional manual on your thumb drive as it will contain the most current updates. Now let's discuss the items that are included in your boxes for your dive hyperbaric chamber. First, we have the chamber in a carry bag. Included with the chamber are 2 sets of cradles to stabilize the chamber, a foam mat to provide comfort during your treatment. Next, you will see an external frame designed to fit around your chamber. One unique feature of all Summit2Sea chambers is there are 2 separate compressor systems which connect to the chamber. Should one of the compressor systems fail, this safety feature allows fresh air to continue to circulate inside of the chamber until you can deflate and exit the chamber. Each compressor hose has a quick connect on the end, which makes it easier to click onto the chamber fill valves. In your Open Me First box, you will find silicone lubricant for the zipper docks, zipper cleaner and lubricant, an auxiliary valve that clicks onto the auxiliary port, a 9-volt battery for your failed circuit alarm, a screwdriver, and a thumb drive that has the instruction manuals in PDF form. If you ever misplace this thumb drive, you can log on to www.summit-2-sea.com/instructions to find your chamber's manual. The failed circuit alarm is to alert you in the event of a power outage. To give you an overview of the steps to install and operate your chamber, we will discuss connecting the compressors, Summit2Sea's zipper system, inflating the chamber, connecting the cradles, building the frame, and mat installation. Now it is time to connect the compressors to the electrical outlet. Please note that some wall sockets are configured so that one of the outlets is connected to a light switch. Avoid using these outlets as they could result in loss of airflow to your chamber. The following diagrams will describe several options for connecting your compressors to the electrical wall outlet. First, install the 9-volt battery that was included in your packet into the circuit alarm. Plug the circuit alarm into the power outlet. Then plug one of the compressors into the back of the circuit alarm plug. Next, plug the second compressor into the other wall outlet. If you are using a power strip, be sure that is UL approved. You will plug the circuit alarm into the wall outlet, then plug the power strip into the circuit alarm plug. Next, plug your compressors into the power strip. For additional configurations, refer to your manual. Now it's time to assemble your dive hyperbaric chamber. Bring the carry bag over to where you intend to have your chamber. Remove the chamber from the carry bag. Ensure that you have plenty of room to maneuver while assembling your chamber. Move the carry bag out of the way of the chamber. Now it is important to make sure that you lay out the chamber so the zipper is facing up. Check that the buckles on the chamber are securely buckled. This allows the zipper to line up, making it easier to zip and taking stress off the zipper. Now you will need to close both the internal and external zippers to inflate the chamber. First, close the internal zipper. Notice that the zipper has a dock at the opening of the zipper. You can apply zipper lubricant on the dock to ease the closure. When the internal zipper pull is placed into the dock, an airtight seal is created. Summit2Sea provides a unique 2-zipper combination, one internal airtight zipper and one external mechanical zipper. As you can see the picture on the right, the slider is fully closed into the dock. On the left is an example of a zipper not properly zipped. Notice how it's not in the dock. If the slider is not completely seated into the dock, the chamber will not fully pressurize. Once the internal zipper is zipped, close the external zipper. Slowly zip the zipper while going under the buckles. To be sure it is fully zipped, pull the zipper string under the safety strap. You will not see the slider when it is fully closed. Now, in order to continue with inflation, it is time to turn on both compressors. Grab the compressor hoses and walk them over to the chamber. Now connect the compressor hoses to the chamber. These fill valve connectors are located on the back of your chamber. It is recommended to first put a small dot of silicone lubricant on the O-ring on the end of each fill valve connector. This will ease the connection of the hose to the fill valve. Simply click both hoses onto the fill valves. Make sure the red deflation valve is in the closed position. When both compressors are connected, they should look like this. Now wait for the chamber to inflate so you can connect the stabilizer cradles and assemble the frame. Once the chamber is to shape, connect the stabilizer cradles to the bottom of the chamber. Lift the chamber one end at a time. Slide the stabilizer cradles under the chamber and connect them to the Velcro patches that are located on the chamber. Make sure that the cradles are aligned correctly with the Velcro to ensure that your chamber sits properly. Now that you've connected the cradles to the chamber, it is time to build the frame around the chamber. Lay out all the pieces of the frame, which include 2 sets of arches, 2 end pieces, and 6 poles. To begin, place both arches into the end pieces. Now place the end pieces at each end of the chamber. 2 of the poles have end caps. These screw together and will go over the top of the chamber. Screw the other 2 pairs of poles together. You will now have 3 long poles. Place one of the poles without caps in the front of the chamber and insert it into the connector on the end pieces. Repeat this on the back side of the chamber. Attach the last pole to the 2 arches using the included screwdriver. Do not over-tighten the screws. Now connect each Velcro strap to the frame. Do not put the frame through the black zipper handle. This is not meant for the frame. After you assemble the frame around the chamber, your chamber should look like this. Now you can deflate the chamber by turning the red deflation valve. It is designed to turn in either direction to release air from the chamber. As you turn the knob, you will notice that you have control of the speed of deflation. When the gauge reads 0, you can unzip the external and internal zippers. Then unbuckle the belts, pushing the gold levers towards the opposite side. Now that the chamber is deflated and attached to the frame, it is time to slide the foam mat inside the chamber. Slide the foam mat inside the chamber. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your dive chamber.
Thanks for considering strongwellness.com for your hyperbaric solution needs. Please call us at 612-867-0950.